gonna show the whole world what we're all about. We're the girls with a passion for fashion. Ooh, Bratz. We'll always be there for each other. Ooh, Bratz. Yeah, styling how we feel. Talking about best friends. Yeah, together we can do anything. We're gonna drink like a chance and believe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing another video. I'm actually gonna be doing the Bratz challenge. I'm a lot of it late, but I don't care. I'm going to attempt this challenge whether you like it or not. So I'm gonna go off camera to cover up these eyebrows, and next time you see me I will have no eyebrows. Bye. Okay, we're back. If you're anything like Mikey, you shaved your eyebrows off, or you joined Morg's cult and went Hyperion and they fell off. Okay, we're back again. I'm doing a lot of stuff off camera because I don't really feel like struggling on camera. I actually did do this challenge like a year or two ago when the one girl made it a thing a long time ago, and I never posted it anywhere. Well, I posted it on Instagram, but I did the like to swipe to see it because I wasn't very proud of it. But insert picture here somewhere on the screen. I was actually recreating this Bratz doll right here, and I didn't like it. I mean, it's actually not that bad, but I know where I messed up on it. Also, I feel like my face is too small to actually do it. Like, I have to, I don't know. I'm attempting it again because it was made a thing again, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna post it this time. And yeah, for struggling. I actually want to give up already, and this is all I've done to my face, is outline what the eyes. Let's move on. I don't want to do this anymore. Oh goodness. I actually had to look up a tutorial because I actually forgot how to do it. It's been that long. And yeah. And oh, first of all, maybe I should figure out what because I'm recreating a specific one. I looked online for a picture of a Bratz doll, which is what a lot of people have been doing, like picking out one specifically to mimic. And I chose a goth looking one with natural hair. So yeah, if I can just find her. Insert picture here. So she has purple. There's no like extraness going on. It's just like purple. She's got some brown in the crease, and then like a gold highlight, looks like. Yeah, and then she's got brown eyes like me. And looks like she got some gold specks in there somewhere. I don't know. We're gonna have fun. Lots of fun. I'm not gonna have fun. Okay, let's start with this stupid darn eye. Okay, purple. Purple. Do I have a straight purple like that? That one's too dark. And I'm going to just fudge. I'm not excited about this. I'm struggling, guys. I'm really struggling. All the struggles are happening right now. This is not going well. I'm not having fun. I'm not having fun. No, we're not having fun. This is not how I did it last time. I'm not having fun. I'm really not having fun. I don't remember doing it this way, but I watched the same tutorial and I combined it with another tutorial that Mikey did, and this is not panning out well at all. Get closer to my face because I can't see what's going on. Yeah, all that shit's gonna have to be fixed. I'm very miserable right now. This is not going as planned. At least it's purple. Should I even attempt to do this on the other side? I don't want to. I know Mikey said that they like the Bratz look is like overdone. Wait, no. Well, it's overdone now because it's a fucking Bratz challenge. But she was saying like the Barbie challenge is overdone. Well, if it's so overdone, why hasn't anybody done a My Scene doll challenge? People be sleeping on My Scene dolls. Remember when that was a thing? Does anybody remember My Scene dolls? I I had 3 of them. I had the Barbie one, and I had the Madison one, and I have the Sutton one. Did they have a Ken for that? I think they did. Fuck Ken. Ken is overrated. Well, Barbie's overrated too, but whatever. This is not working. Bad things are happening. Not having fun. Not having fun. That looks horrible. This was a bad idea. You should not have decided to do this again. You should have just gone on with the rest of your life and not done this at all, Trish. When the sun is on your screen and hindering you from actually seeing what you're supposed to be doing, fun times. Super fun times. I forgot to turn the camera off. I never left. What are you talking about? Struggle is real right now. The struggle is very real. I hate myself. I really wish I had not decided to do this. We're not having fun. Abort mission. This is not the right shade of gold either. I don't have a lighter. Wait, I do have a lighter gold. Where are you? Wait, what about this one? No, it's too dark. All of the palettes, dude. I started with freaking Fairy Tale and ItsMyRaeRae. Then I moved on to the gold and the black opal color splurge duo palette. Now I'm going to Half Baked and the Naked palette. I cannot find the right gold. I think like Half Baked looks like the right gold in comparison to the picture, but you know, pictures be lying to us all the time, so I have no idea. Oh yeah. Yeah. Half Baked is the right gold. We found a winner. Winner chicken dinner. Anybody ever watch that movie called wait, no, 21? It's just 21. I was gonna say the number 21, but I'm thinking about the number 23. Anybody ever seen the movie The Number 23? Those are both some bomb-ass movies, I'm just saying. My life is a lie right now. Why did I decide to set myself up like this? Because I don't know. I shouldn't have done this to myself. It was a setup from the start. Why am I singing this terrible song? Why are you guys watching this video? Because it apparently sucks. That was a terrible song, but at least the vocals were on point. This is gonna be the I tried to do the Bratz challenge and I failed video. I'm going in with the shade Midnight in the ItsMyRaeRae palette, trying to fix a mistake that was created by yours truly. Actually, I give no fucks. I don't give a fuck anymore. Like, I'm really just gonna do this and then see where it takes me. I'm not having fun. Not having fun. I have to cover that up again. Fun times. This is supposed to be better than my first time. Like, all the things are going wrong. Where does my eyelid like start and end? Because I can't tell. Everything is a mess right now and I want to die. So there's this trick that I'm supposed to be mimicking. It's supposed to look like when you open your eye, your pupil is still part of the eye. If you know what I'm trying, don't listen to me. Wouldn't it be nice if we were older and we wouldn't have to wait so long? 50 First Dates? Anyone? Anyone? At least something seems to be going right now. The whole thing looks like shit. I just can't Bratz, okay? I can't Bratz. I'm literally incapable of knowing how to brat, and yeah. I'm failing the Bratz challenge right now. Not having fun. Yes, I'm still not having fun. This is not fun. This is a terrible idea. But I already started and I'm already this far, so why give up now? Not that it's gonna get any better, but why give up now? I know what I did wrong, and I might have to erase some of this. Like, you have no idea how terribly wrong this is going. I'm still very much struggling. I can't work like this. I'm gonna draw the eyebrow on to see if that makes me feel any better. At least the eyebrow looks somewhat okay. I'm so irritated. we're back again. So I went off camera again to figure the right side out. So I finally have something actually going on that looks like something on my right side of my face. And yeah, we're back on track. So now I'm gonna do the left side on camera for you guys. You have no idea the struggles I'm going through right now. And we're back. Hello. So now I have on my clothes that are supposed to mimic hers as best as they can. And forget she's wearing a hat too. Got it. So that's actually it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though I did the majority of this off camera. But I'm actually kind of proud of it. It turned out way better than I expected it to. I don't even know if I like it better than the first attempt I had. Maybe. I haven't actually looked at the reference picture from my first one throughout this whole thing. You guys have seen it, but I haven't yet to compare the two. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, get off my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell to know when I upload. I upload every week. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time.